What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras in low light between the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, I've already done a dedicated daytime video between all these devices. But in this video, it's all about low light, baby. It's all about low light. So let's put these devices to the test and see which one is King Supreme. Well, guess what? It's time to wipe the camera lens. As I always do here, because I don't want no excuses and people putting comments down and say, oh, the camera lens is dirty. On this channel, I'm the tech preacher. It's no excuses. It's no fluff, no passes. We call it how we see it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Here it is. I got all three devices in my hand, and this is low light. So look at the sky. See how black the sky is, right? It's very late at night. So there it is, right? And yeah, so there it goes. Got the dealer sign right there. I'm out here in the parking lot here, and look at the light lens flare there. All right, so let's walk and see which one that has the best stabilization and go from there. All right, this is all low light. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think, and I'm gonna go audio from side to side and let y'all guys hear the audio on all three devices, but you be the judge for yourself when looking at this. Let's see if we can get something nice and detailed here. This rock. All right, so let's check this rock out. Which device give you the better details when it comes down to this rock? Look at that, beautiful. All right, Galaxy Note 9, very kind of, you know, couple of years old now, but y'all let me know down in the comments. Look at the details. How have devices have aged? Man, nice. There it is.
That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, so here it is, front-facing camera on all three devices, and I want y'all guys to be the judge for yourself. Look at the background there, which device has the darkest theme going on here. All right, so I'm looking at the viewfinder, and all three devices look really good. No complaints so far. I think that me looking at the viewfinder, I think the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is just a little oversaturated, but other than that, everything looks good. Look at that lens flare kicking in. But I think all devices do good. You be the judge for yourself. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below, baby. And let me know what you think about all three devices in action. Woo, time to go. Late at night, whew, all alone. Let's go. See you guys on the next video. Peace.